Listen, you still have time to hit your credit goals in 2024. You should not push it off into the new year and say, okay, 2025 is my year. Because keep in mind, this is what you did last year and probably the year before that, especially when you can go ahead and start restoring your credit starting with as little as $10. So as soon as this video is over, matter of fact, or right now, go ahead and get enrolled while it's just $9.95, literally. So let me show you what I'm talking about and then show you how other people have been able to win from the same system. Now, this is DIY. No, it's not us fixing it for you. That's a separate option that starts at least $200 and then it ranges from there. However, if you want to do it yourself and you don't mind going through the process yourself, but also having some help and some people that you can tap into, ask questions, weekly trainings, etc., this is for you, especially if you can get started for less than what you already probably spent today or will spend today. So when you get access to this system, it's known as the My Credit system, and the My Credit system allows you to self-pace and go through restoring your credit. Now, as you can see at the top, the duration, 24 minutes and 33 seconds. Look, you spend more than that amount of time online, scrolling social media, looking at videos and things of that nature, when you can just tap into this and it doesn't take that long, less than a sitcom, and now you can start restoring your credit. So it gives you a welcome message. You pull your credit, step number one. I'm not going to go into all of the details. I just want to give you a brief overview of how it's working and how it's worked for others. But you're able to go through pulling your report, freezing the secondary bureaus, using the benefits of that, tapping into getting access to how to check for errors the right way, knowing how to use the Fair Credit Reporting Act to your advantage so you can boost your score based on the laws, using the laws to your advantage, not lying or denying anything, just using the laws. Step 4, starting a dispute process. And a lot of people want to skip to this, but you want to go in order. Otherwise, you miss out on something that can really be impactful to your journey. Step number 5, getting access. Of course, you get access to all of the letters. They're already here. Everything you need is already here. It's already been thought out, used. These are affidavits when you send them the right way, and now you're able to position yourself to take your score to the next level. Even teaching you how to go about filing a complaint with the CFPB in the event that you have to go above the credit bureaus or consumer reporting agencies, to be more specific. If you have identity theft, all of these things are included in here. Step 5, showing you how you can start restoring your credit by understanding credit utilization. A lot of people don't teach and talk about this, but this is responsible for 165 points. When you understand that, then you understand how to keep your credit up beyond you just cleaning it up. Then talking about building credit strategies and goes into the conclusion here. So everything you need is here. Now, what I want to show you next is people who have been able to win and benefit from using the same exact system. Look at her. She was able to get a 7.7 credit score. Credit score went up 143 points. Shout out to Stephanie for tapping into the system. Wanda was able to get into the 750 club, increasing her score 68 points using the same exact system. Antonio, he was able to go up 100 points. He touched that 800, same system. Vanessa, 691, up 25 points, same system. Tamiko, 733 score, 110 point increase, same system. 164 for Marlis, 750 club, 802. So she in the 800 credit club increased her score by 32 points. Sheila was able to get the job done. Darlene, 178 point increase, which put her at 763. You can pretty much get the job done when you have 700 plus credit using our system. Here's some other happy customers. I won't spend too much time here. I just want you to know that people are winning, because a lot of times the proof is in the pudding and people need to see results before they decide and make a step in moving forward. And that's okay. It's okay that you want to see what has already been done or how other people have benefited from the system or whatever you're about to invest in. That's how it should be. So never make somebody or let somebody make you feel bad by wanting to do your due diligence. Here's your due diligence. You know that people are winning from using our system. People are able to get all types of collections deleted. So the list just goes on and on and on. This right here shows a list of charge-offs and collections Bunny was able to create. This person increased their FICO 41 points. I can go on and on, but tap in. It's $10. Get access to it now, because this will expire soon. As soon as you hear this video, go ahead and do it right now. Watch fresh on your mind. Don't wait. If you had time to watch this video, then you have time to enroll. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to get enrolled, and from there you'll get instant access. You won't have to wait on me or anything. Now, we will be notified. So once you do get access, we'll see that you got access, and we'll send you a personal text message to make sure that you're getting access to everything and that you're plugged into everything. However, soon as you invest in yourself, you get instant access to it. So tap in. It's $9.95. Nothing to even think about. Congratulations and welcome to the team. Salute.